Alright, so I'm just going to make a quick tutorial about my Procreate canvas size that I use. A lot of people are asking me about my canvas size and what works best. I basically only use two sizes, one for more Instagram type stuff and then one for more professional things. But I'll show you what sizes I use. They seem to work for me, and yeah, this will be a quick one, so let's do it. Alright, so this is my regular standard canvas. I usually work in a square because most of the time I use this for Instagram. So when I'm making a new canvas, I named it Big Square, 2000 pixels by 2000 pixels. And that's where I start. I usually change the canvas size to something other than white. I prefer to not work on a white canvas. But yeah, I just use a square. This is mostly, it's a good size. It's pretty versatile. It's not too big, it's not too small. Works great for Instagram. Lots of layers, so I can do a lot of different animals, and works out fine. If I'm going to do client work, then I will just use a bigger canvas. I'll just use 3000 pixels by 3000 pixels. Looks exactly the same. It's just a little bit bigger, so you are sacrificing some layers, but it's bigger overall. So once you export it to Photoshop or export it from here, it just makes the project a little bit bigger. Essentially, that's all I use. I use a square canvas, 2000 by 2000. If it's a client work, then I go a little bigger, 3000 by 3000. And the current canvas that I'm working on is these guys. This is 2000 by 2000. So it's plenty big enough for for my needs. I don't really think you need to go huge. They have all these canvas sizes. A4 is too a lot of these up top I feel like are a little bit too small. So I just stick to a square. Plus I mostly post on Instagram, so I stick to a square. And yeah, I think we'll end it there. I'll show you some other cool work. I think this one is 2000 by 2000. Not too bad. Alright, so I think we'll end it there. As always, keep drawing, and I will catch you in the next video.